The following video demonstrates the process of creating a basic playlist on an Android device. We'll be using Google Play Music to create this playlist. We'll be creating the sample meditation retreat from the instruction manual, and we'll be creating the basic retreat playlist, which is also included in the instruction manual. We begin by opening Google Play Music, going to the menu, and selecting Music Library. We go to Albums, and we check our list, and we see that BHB04 is the first track. So we go into BHB, Bodhi House Basic, and we find track 04. These short codes of BHB04, for example, are meant to make it easier for you to find your tracks when the titles are too long to see the entire text in the title. We click on the three dots and we say Add to Playlist. We create a new playlist, and we're going to call it 6 Hour, because this is intended to be a 6-hour retreat. Next we check and we see that we need 60 minutes of meditation from the Singing Bowl meditation timers. So we go back, go into Singing Bowl meditation timers, down to 60 minutes, add to a playlist, select 6 Hour, and we're done. Next we need from BHB 11. So we go back to Bodhi House Basic, find track 11, click the three dots, and add to playlist 6 Hour. Next we look and we see that we now need 30 minutes of meditation from the Singing Bowl meditation timers. So we go back, go to Singing Bowl meditation timers, find 30 minutes, click the three dots, add to playlist, and 6 Hour. And these timers are nice because they include 15 seconds of silence, then the bell ringing 3 times, then the indicated amount of silence, in this case 30 minutes, followed by 3 more bells to end the session. So checking back to our list, we now need BHB06. So we go back to BHB, we simply find track 06, click on the 3 dots, add to playlist, 6 Hour. Next, we need to actually find the talk that we're going to play at this period of time. So we're going to find an external talk. We'll go into our Tara Brach folder. We'll pick one of the talks from there, and we're going to add that to a playlist and say 6 Hour. We go back to BHB Basic, and we'll see the next track we need is BHB 16. So we scroll down until we find BHB 16, hit the 3 dots, add to playlist, 6 Hour. So at this point, we've actually created about the first half of this playlist. So let's validate it and make sure we've done everything right. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to Playlists, and then I'm going to open the 6 Hour playlist. And we look and we compare this to what we have on our sheet. So BHB04 is the first track, 60 minutes of meditation. BHB 11, 30 minutes of meditation. BHB 6, the Dhamma talk from an external source, and then finally BHB 16. So you see that we were able to fairly quickly create the first half of this retreat. It would have only taken us another minute or two to put the rest of the tracks in and finish the retreat. If you need additional information, please visit our website at retreatkit.info. Thank you.